Attention BMW owners, is your BMW all prepared for the winter? If not, BMW of Bridgewater is offering a complimentary winter service clinic. And if you are within 20 miles of the dealership, we will pick up and drop off at no additional charge. This complimentary service includes the following checks: tire pressure, battery and brakes, wipers, belts and hoses, and we will even top off all your fluids. Our service advisors will provide you with factory-trained technician findings. You will also receive a 10% off on all parts and labor and recommended services on your vehicle. So pick up the phone and dial 908-287-1800 to make your winter service clinic appointment today. We want to make sure that your vehicle is winterized for winter 2020. Don't forget to like and subscribe.